Assalamualaikum. My name is Lari Bathar and I am working in Sante Private Limited as an assistant product manager in the marketing division. I learned Excel training, master Excel class from the YouExcel, and it was great. The shortcut keys, the making of pivot table, pivot chart, the linking that I can further use in my sales analysis or in my budget formats that we create yearly and in our brand plan meetings as well. So it was great. You guys should go and learn as well. I would definitely recommend you all to go and attend your class or attend your training from the YouExcel. They're amazing people. The trainer is very well organized and basically he knows his job. So definitely go and learn from them. Thank you.